Hello my friend, welcome to the Healthy Zone. Today's smoothie is going to be a lemon peach wild blueberry with ginger and cashew butter. So if you're interested, stick around. Okay, for this smoothie we are going to need a knob of ginger. Put as much ginger or as little ginger as you like. You can leave the ginger out if you don't like ginger, but I use ginger for inflammation. I have blueberry on my fingers, okay? And then we're going to need 1 lemon. We're going to need some vanilla extract. I'm using as my fat source today cashew butter, but you can use any butter you like, or you can use an avocado, but the cashew butter does add a creamy sweetness to this smoothie. I'm using 1 small fresh peach, and make sure it's really ripe. I'm using a small handful of fresh blueberries, and then in this cup I have a cup of wild blueberries with a couple of frozen peaches that I had left. I wanted to use them up. You will need some sort of protein. I'm using a protein powder, and I'm using the Primal, let me get it in there, the Primal Kitchen Vanilla Coconut Primal Fuel low carb meal replacement. It's a coconut. I only use half a serving of this. And then I'm also going to put in a little bit of my collagen peptides. You can use a vegan protein powder if you want. I just bought this, it's new. It's the French vanilla. It's supposed to taste better. I've used their protein powders, or I've tried, I should say. I just do not like plant-based protein powders. I find them to be absolutely, they just don't suit my fancy when it comes to taste, okay? But if you like it, you can use something like that. And we will also need a little bit of extra ice, because I like my smoothies very cold and I don't like them really thick, so I have to gauge it. And for liquid, in my Vitamix, I have 1 cup of coconut milk, and it's unsweetened. And to grate your ginger, you will need a microplane. I also have the glove, and I also have some chia seeds here that I will put in, and it's just about a teaspoon of chia seeds. And then the Himalayan salt, just a pinch, to pull all these flavors together. Okay. So we are going to start out by putting our glove on. And because if I don't, I'll forget to do it and I'll start grating the ginger, and then I'll have pieces of my skin in there. Alright, so to my Vitamix, I am going to add the fresh peach. Whoops. And then I'm also going to add the fresh blueberries. I'm going to add the frozen wild blueberries. Wild blueberries actually are healthier for you than, I mean, blueberries are healthy for us, loaded with antioxidants, but wild blueberries have even more. So I love to get them, and I buy the big frozen bag. I think I get it at Walmart, and it's Wyman's blueberry, wild Maine blueberries. All right, so let's get cracking. We're going to do our ginger, and I'm just going to take the microplane, and I'm going to probably grate almost 1 inch of this ginger into my smoothie. The ginger is very good for many things. If you suffer from nausea, it'll help you with that. But for me, I'm using it for inflammation, and it helps my reflux, believe it or not. Because ginger has a bite to it, but it has allowed me to really cut, well, I don't even take my medicine anymore. That's how much it's helped me. All right, so now I'm going to take the lemon, and I'm just going to zest a little bit of the skin. I don't want to zest the white part in, because then it gets a little bitter. So, and make sure you wash your lemons before you do this. So I'm just going to go around and put in it probably is about a half a teaspoon of lemon zest. And then I'm going to take a knife. Where is my knife? Just a moment. Where is my knife? Here it is. Here's my knife. Okay, I have it. Alright, so I'm going to cut the lemon in half, and then I'm going to take my lemon press, squeeze the lemon in. I love these. I find mine at TJ Maxx, and they're less money there. I mean, if you go to a place like Williams-Sonoma or something, you're going to pay a lot of money for these, but at TJ Maxx, they're usually like $7. And they work really well. And you just squeeze, and there you have it. Your lemon juice is in there. Okay, so we're going to add to that our chia seeds. And then I'm going to add my cashew butter. And I'm just going to scoop that in. It's 1 table of creamy cashew butter. If you don't have cashew butter, you can add actual cashews to your smoothie, and it will give you the same results. Now I'm going to take the vanilla extract, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in the cap. I'm going to say it's probably 1/4 teaspoon. And then we're going to take a pinch of the Himalayan sea salt. And believe me, this little bit of salt, it's a pinch. That little bit of salt will pull these flavors all together. Trust me, my friends. And then for the primal fuel, I'm going to add just 1 scoop. A full serving is 2 scoops, but that's too many calories for me, so I just put in 1 scoop. You do have to tweak my smoothies or anybody else's for your daily activity and the amount of calories you need to take in. Because no matter what diet you're following, calories in, calories out. That's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. You need to burn more than you take in if you're trying to lose weight. So, but that you have to eat a healthy amount of calories. You don't want to go around with 500 calories in your belly. So I'm just going to take about a heaping teaspoon of the collagen protein. And that is all that goes into... I'm sorry, this is collagen peptides. I don't want to say protein. It's by Vital Proteins, but it's a collagen peptide. And it's good for your hair, skin, nails, joint, and bones. And I take it for joints and bones. And then I'm going to add just about, I say 3 ice cubes to start, so I can see how thick or thin this gets. And then we will put the cap on it and go ahead and give it a whirl. So my smoothie is all mixed up and it's perfect. So now I'm just going to take some fancy goblet and I'm going to pour my beautiful creamy smoothie into it. And I will drink this whole smoothie. Well, let's say I'll drink it until I'm full. If I get really full and there's some left over, I won't drink it. But I do plan on drinking it all. And I will put the calorie content below. Okay, so let's give this a nice little taste. And I know somebody's going to say you shouldn't be drinking out of a straw because you have lip lines. And as I've said in all my other smoothie videos, this straw is not doing anything for my lip lines. Okay, my lip lines are just going to be there, and that's all there is to it. So let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I love a good smoothie. Some smoothies you make and they're like, ugh, this really doesn't taste good. Why am I drinking it? These are fabulous, and I'm telling you, when you put some fresh fruit and frozen fruit in, meaning if you use just frozen peaches, you're not going to get the same flavor, because incorporating fresh, one small peach and maybe a half a cup of frozen peaches is going to bring out the peach flavor so much more than if you just use frozen peaches. Trust me. And if you can't buy fresh peaches for some reason, let half of your peaches unthaw and keep the other half frozen, because there's nothing worse than a warm smoothie either. So, and the same with the blueberries. You can use regular blueberries with this. You could add lime to this if you wanted. Instead of the cashew butter, you could add coconut oil. All right, so that's it for today's Healthy Zone smoothie. I hope you give it a try. Trust me, my friends, putting that lemon in there and that ginger just brightens this baby right up and makes you just wanna have it every single day. But don't, because I'm bringing you all kinds of smoothie recipes, okay? All right. That's beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be trying this and if you're enjoying the Healthy Zone smoothies. Until the next time, go out and have a fabulous, fabulous day, my friends. I love you all. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.